Hey there! So today I'm going to show you how I normally create a quick sketch slash doodle slash tiny drawing. I do these every week as an exercise to expand my field of imagination. And anything goes. Whatever inspires me or pops up in my mind will be in these drawings. Let's get started with something fantasy-based. But I have no idea what to draw. I think I should go stick my head into a tree to get some inspiration from nature. It is such a beautiful day, and I'm reminded of how fortunate I am to be healthy, have a roof over my head, and time to spend in nature. Whenever I feel uninspired or stuck, I turn to trees or plants for inspiration. Like this perfect row of leaves. What can I draw that incorporates their shape? I could use them as a base for a forest spirit. That could work. While the idea is still fresh in my mind, I roughly sketch out the shape on a scrap piece of paper. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is just to get the idea out into the physical realm. Grab your favorite pencils and a small piece of paper roughly the size of a Post-it. Today I'm using my mechanical pencil loaded with 2H leads, a blunt 2H pencil for the outlines, a sharp 2B pencil for the darker shadow areas, my trusty eraser, a soft brush to get rid of eraser crumbs, and a small paper stump to blend. And if you have a kneadable eraser or a pencil eraser, they will be helpful to get rid of small imperfections and to add extra highlights. Draw loosely on the page to plot out the shapes you'll be using. Make sure you're 100% happy with it before moving on to the shading. The creature will have a snake-like body, 3 leaves at the tail end. The head is roughly shaped like a triangle, similar to that of a fox's head, with angled, almond-shaped eyes. Because I already have a decent amount of graphite on my blending stump from my previous drawing, I can use it to color in and blend the shadows. I'm adding some rough shading with my mechanical pencil to create a tube shape. This little drawing is not going to be overly realistic. It's merely a more intricate doodle, with the purpose of trying to capture on paper what your imagination comes up with. So therefore, I'm drawing from memory. Build your drawing by gradually darkening the areas where the shadow should fall. For in-depth info on how to shade objects, check out easydrawingtips.com. I will have the link in the description box below. I'm drawing in loose shapes in the area where I think the veins of the leaves are. These tiny sketches can be used as a meditative tool to take some time to calm your mind, reduce your stress levels, and to breathe. Set yourself a timer of 10 to 20 minutes and draw whichever shape comes to your mind. Expand on the shape by imagining it as something that could exist in the fantasy realm. Imagine a little story about it, how it would move, where it would live. Allow your mind to escape this world and roam within the limitless space of your imagination. The paper I'm using is very delicate, so I'm taking extra care not to draw deep, heavy lines. To keep the markings light, I imagine that I'm a conductor in an orchestra, lightly moving my fingers across the air, or in this case, onto the small square of paper. Instead of a baton, I have a pencil, and instead of moving the air around me, I'm moving graphite within the shape of the leaf. Check out Addicted to Art store online to build your arsenal of drawing tools. They also have affordable, high-quality paints, inks, canvases, and all things arts and craft related to help you create beautiful art. I will leave the link in the description box below. To round off my little tree spirit, I'm drawing in some veins and a few swirls around it. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to leave a few comments. Have a wonderful day. Stay creative and dare to make art. Bye.